Hi everybody, welcome to this tutorial video. Today we're going to look at how to design and call functions in Java. The scenario is that aliens attend basketball practice and they have a routine. First they yell hup 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 10 times, then they shoot at the hoop and shout yup 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 if they score, and if they miss they shout chump chump chump. And they yell hup 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 again 10 times to finish the routine. How can we solve this problem using Java? So let's jump into our IDE and see if we can figure this out. I'm just going to put some comments in here to remind me of what the routine is. So we yell hup 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 10 times. We shoot and yell yep 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 if score, and chump 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 if we miss. And the final part of the routine is to do this again. So let's just copy and paste that. So that's the routine. So let's handle each part of the routine. The first thing we do is yell hup hup hup. And we've got to do that 10 times. Oh no. Oh, that's a lot of copying and pasting. But we're going to do it. If you know a different way to repeat the same action 10 times, please do it your way. But at the moment, I'm just going to do that 10 times. Then we're going to shoot. I want this to be kind of random. Sometimes the alien will miss, and sometimes the alien will score. How can we generate randomness in a computer program? I'm just going to quickly show you one strategy. And I did some research in our good friend W3 Schools earlier, how to generate random numbers in Java. We can use something called math.random. Okay. So it says here, if you want to generate a random number between 0 and 100, this is a line of code that you can use. So I'm going to copy this. Now, we're not going to look at how math.random works in this tutorial, but let's just use the code and see if we can get it working. Now, what I'm going to do is generate a number from 0 to 10. So I think I'd have to change that 101 to 11. So that line of code is going to generate a number from 0 to 10. And what I'm going to say is, look at the way, by the way, in Java, we've declared a variable, and we've assigned an initial value to it. Okay, so hopefully this is something you've studied in a previous tutorial. What I might do actually is declare my variables at the top of my program and then use the variable later on in the program. That's a standard way of doing it. Okay. So now that we've got a random number from 0 to 10, all I'm going to say is if random is less than 5, we're just going to say that's when he misses. Okay? So we're going to do yup yup yup. Okay, so that means if the random number is less than 5, we're going to suggest that means that he has scored. And then else, we're going to system.out.print jump jump jump. Okay, we're nearly there. And the final thing that he does is yell hup 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 10 times. So great, we've got the code. Let's just copy that code and paste it in here. Hey, okay, I think we've solved the problem. Okay, using a bit of randomness here. I call it random num, not random. Okay. Ooh, let's run this and see if it works. Yay, okay. So, yup, yup, yup. He scored. He's going to do the routine again. Yup, yup, yup. He scored. Let's do it again. Jump, jump, jump. He missed. So we've got some randomness here in our program. to simulate the shooting of a basketball. He's not very good, is he? That was a lot of chumps. Okay. Now, in the design of the program, it's been decided that at the start of the routine, not going to be 10 times, it's going to be 11 times. Okay. So look at how many changes I'm going to have to make to my computer program here. I'm going to have to add one more here, and I'm going to have to go and find it again and add one more here. Now, this is a really inefficient way of writing computer programs. What we really want to think about is designing functions to perform specific tasks in our computer program. Okay? So what I mean by that is, I'm just going to forget everything that I've just done. I'm just going to rewrite my computer program up here. What I really want to do is yell, play or shoot, and then yell again. That's really the routine. Hop, hop, hop. Jump, jump, jump. Hop, hop, hop. That's really what we're doing. Okay? And instead of just writing all of the code in our main function, why don't we just start to design functions to perform a specific task within the program? And when we need to use the function, all we do is call it like this. I'm calling the function. And later, I'm just calling the same function again. Look how compact my main program has become by using functions instead of just writing all these lines of code. Okay, so let's do it this way. What I need to do now is design the yell function. Okay, now at the moment, I'm in the main function. So I need to go and find the end of the main function. Where is it? There it is. I'm just going to put a comment in, end of main. So after the main function, I'm going to design another static function. Don't worry if you don't understand what static means and what void means at the moment. We'll come to these keywords later in the course. But this function that I'm designing is called, I've decided to call it the yell function. So that's the name of the function. Curly brackets, and all of my function code is going to go in here. Now my function code is this stuff, the yelling. So I'm going to take that code and I'm going to just paste it into the yell function. So that's my yell function. The next function that I want to design is my play function. This is where we actually shoot at the basket. Okay, public, static, void, play. And my play code is all this stuff here. So I'm going to take that code and I'm going to push it into the play function. Now actually, this play function uses a variable called randnum. And only the play function uses this variable. It's local. This is a local variable in the play function. Okay, so I need to declare it in the play function. I'm just going to take that declaration and I'm going to declare it inside the play function. Local variable. Just going to make a note. That's a local variable. No other function uses this variable. It's local to the play function. Okay. And yeah, those were just the two functions that I need. So what I'm going to do now is get rid of all of my other code in my main function. This is my main function. Look how simple my main function has become. So when we come into main, we call the yell function. So we leave main for a minute. We jump into yell. We run all of the yell code. And when that's finished, we go back to the main function. That's done. So we go on to the next line of code, which is play. So we jump into the play function. We execute all of the play code. When that's finished, we jump back. That's finished now. And we call yell again. We jump into the yell function and we run the code. And when it's finished, we go back into main and we arrive here and there's nothing else to do. That's the end of the program. Okay. Now let's run our main program and see if it works. Yay! It works. Now let's say that first we yell and then we play 3 times, or 4 times, or 5 times. Let's play 5 times and then yell. We've got a new routine. Let's see how many times he... Oh, wow. He missed every time. Oh, my goodness. That's crazy. He got 3 and he missed 2. Okay? We're going to change the routine again. When he yells, he only yells 5 times, not 10 times. All I have to do is go into the yell function and just change the yell function. Just got to do one change here. Let's do it 4 times. That's it. So look at the power of designing computer programs by incorporating functions. Okay? Design the function and then call the function when you need it.